So I royally screwed up the first batch of this. Like, I made a 10-pound batch. One loaf came out okay. The other one was a disaster. Because the fragrance I was using, which supposedly wasn't supposed to set up, really set up. And yeah, it was just a disaster. So I had enough soap dough that I left, like, already prepped and ready. I just had to extrude it to make basically a 16-inch cane. So I was like, okay, I will do one more loaf. I'm doing it in a different scent this time. Let me go grab the soap. So this is the one that was okay-ish. Like, it has its issues, but it's okay. These are a couple from the other batch where we have gaps all over. This is relatively minor. Some of them have big gaps. He's completely floating. His antlers have been pushed off. His nose was pushed off. More gaps. Like, these are two of the better bars from that batch. So you can imagine the rest only get worse. So yeah, I was really bummed considering how much work they are, like that reindeer was and everything. Bummed enough that I decided, like I said, to make, like, I was gonna have some extra soap from this batch anyways, so I was like, okay, well, let's just make another loaf. And hopefully this one goes up. It goes better. I am using a fragrance that does not accelerate. I stick blended the white a lot in hopes that to get it to set up. I had a couple presents left over, so I'm just kind of making do with what I have. And like I said, that will be bad. The tree's not the same because, again, I was using whatever I had left over from previous extruding in other batches. So there's two different trees. They don't have, like, these are just flat trees. They don't have the trunk, which, like this one. So it's fine. It's not going to be exactly the same, but it will be similar, and I'm hoping it will be without the major flaws that the previous batch had. So I'm gonna go prep the rest. I also shredded up some white soap, so I will add that in to kind of create that snowy look. And yeah, okay. Which way do I want him to go? I want him to go this way. So anyways, let me go prep the blue and then I'll be back. Here's take 2 of my reindeer. So The presents were so tiny. And I wish I had the bigger tree, but that's all I had left made, so. But the reindeer is correct. He's cute. He doesn't have floating pieces all over. That present got pushed down a little bit. It's okay. It's still cute. I will take it. There's no air gaps. Everything worked, unlike the previous. Oh, I spoke too soon. We have a little air gap. I did try and fill it, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, I love the embed. Very frustrated with the first design that didn't go right, but otherwise, it's cute. Let me know what you think.